Today on 60-second favourites, we're going to be taking a look at the Elucian consume unit and circuit protection range from Click. So let's take a closer look. So here we have the Elucian range by Click. Now our consume units are available in various combinations, from unpopulated, switch disconnector to split load, and combinations that vary from 5-way to 22-way. Here we have an 18-way combination unit that includes surge protection. Now all of our units come supplied with earth and neutral terminals, marking labels, buzz bar, and instructions to help with your installation. We offer an extensive range of protective devices that are easy to install, which are suitable for domestic and light commercial environments. Our Elucian devices can be clicked onto the DIN rail, allowing work to be carried out in a tight environment. And all of our protective devices have clear trip indication and clear and visible markings no matter what the switch position. Our range of devices include MCBs, RCBOs, RCDs, time delay RCDs, SPDs, AFDDs, module contactors, and many more. So no matter what your requirement, we've got you covered with many different solutions that can be tailored for your install. If you want to find out more about Elucian, then check out the website at Scolmore.com. We'll put a link in the description. And if you like the 60-second favourite videos, please remember to like, subscribe, and hit the notification button below.